YouTube, Drakaic Alchemist has returned, and I've decided to make a tutorial video on how to install, play videos, and record on OBS. So first, you're going to need to go to any web browser, such as Google Chrome or Internet Explorer or something like that. So once you go there, you need to type in the search bar, OBS. And for me, it pops up to obsproject.com automatically, since I've already installed and downloaded OBS Studio. So next, you'll need to download OBS by clicking either Windows, Mac, or Linux. Windows will run 7, 8, and 10. Mac will run 10.8 plus, and then Linux will run Linux. So since I've already downloaded it, I will not be clicking Windows, but if you were to click it, you should be able to go through the downloading process. Next, you want to type in VLC. The reason you want VLC is because if you use something as in Windows movie player or something like that, the video will not play the audio, any of the audio at all. So you're going to need VLC to play the audio properly. So you go to the VLC website, you click this drop down next to the download VLC button, and click your operating system that you want to download this on. So after you've downloaded those, you want to go to your folder, go to your downloads, and then you want to click the installer for OBS and also the installer for VLC. And then once you install both of those, you open up OBS, and then it should automatically have one scene called scene 1, and I've already have a source in here, but I'll teach you how to install those next. So first, you need to go to your settings by either clicking the settings button in the corner over here, or clicking file and then hitting settings in the top drop down bar. Then you can either change your language in your general tab. You can change your language, you can change the theme from dark on default, and leave everything else alone. So then go to Steam. Actually, I do not have Stream set up, so don't worry about this. I'll have a video posted in the description for you to watch if you need to set up streaming, but for now I'm just doing recording. So this is output. Go to the next tab called output, then leave output mode alone, change the video bitrate between 3000 and 2500, change the the encoder to software X264, leave the audio bitrate alone, and have the encoder preset from either very fast or super fast. I left that very fast for my personal preference. Now for recording path, you can change this by clicking browse or manually typing it. I chose a recording path to my own personal folder. You can leave it alone if you want to, but you'll have to find where the recording path ends up. So next, change the recording, leave the recording quality as same as stream, and then recording format to MP4 instead of FLV, which is the default. Now go to audio, leave sample rate alone, change channels to stereo if it's on mono. If it's on stereo, leave it alone. Change desktop audio to default, and go to mic auxiliary audio device and change that to whatever your mic's name is. You should be able to find that in your settings and for your Windows. Go to video, have the base canvas resolution to whatever your monitor's recommended resolution is, and then your output, you want to have it less than that. Right now I have it at 1024 by 720, and then change the downscale filter to the bottom one, land CZOS, sharpen scaling 32 samples, and have FPS at 30 if it's not already defaulted to there. Alright, then you would click apply and then hit OK. Next is how to install sources. So I'm going to delete this display capture source I have present. You would click the scene you want to add a source to. Then you click this plus under the sources tab. Click that, and you can either add an image, media source, text, display capture, window capture, game capture, and all the other choices. For now, I'm only going to teach you how to choose a display capture, window capture, and game capture. So you would click display capture, name it whatever you want. I'm leaving it blank, or leaving it as is. Hit OK. Then you want to set the display you want it to, the desktop display you want it to show. So right now I only have one option, which is my monitor. You would hit OK, and it would display the capture. So yeah, it'll display whatever's on your monitor's main screen, and it'll display everything unless it goes full screen somewhere else. Then you would click, alright, so for that, you can close that if you don't want it anymore. Click add, click window capture, then hit OK. Then, oh wait, forgot to do something. So you need to open a game that opens up as a window. I'm going to open up League of Legends, because that worked when I tried it. Alright, so you would hit the plus, hit window capture, hit OK, and then you would pick the window you wanted to choose. Right now I'm having it choose League of Legends Patcher. Hit OK, and then it should display the window. Alright. So next is game capture. Game capture is good for things that go full screen automatically and you have to switch screens. But if you have game capture on, it automatically captures the game when it goes full screen. So yeah. Next alright. So you've recorded your video, you've recorded your sound, and your mic works normally. But you play it on something, and you play it on VLC, and it sounds buzzy, like it has major static. To fix that, go to the headphone setting, or audio setting over here. Right click, hit recording devices, click on headset mic or whatever mic you're using, click properties, click levels, then decrease your microphone level, and then decrease the microphone boost all the way to 0. Then also go to advanced, change it to 16-bit, change it to studio quality, 16-bit, 96,000, and that should fix the static, or at least decrease it. So if that doesn't work, I don't know, that's what fixed mine, so I'll try and find another video if that doesn't work for you guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you install, play recordings, and fix your audio for OBS.